Welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it all over the upper section of the page. Adjust it like this. Now again go to the element and let's search for a apartment picture. From the photos, let's find a apartment picture. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the frame. And now go to the element and search for a corner. Let's take this corner and copy this corner, blur the behind one and make the first one, give the first one color. Then again go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this arrow shape. Give it a color for now, maybe we'll change it later. Now take a text box and type apartment for sale. Make it uppercase, reduce the line spacing and increase the font size and change the color in white. Let's change the color in this color and select the text and go to the effect and give it an outline effect in black. Now again go to the text and take a text box. Press the dummy text under the first text. And now go to the element and search for frame. Let's take this rectangle frame and press Alt and copy this frame. paste it under the first frame, and now let's go to the element and search for shape. Let's take this rectangle shape and let's place this rectangle, one in left side and one in right corner behind the frame like this. Select this shape and press Alt and copy this shape under the second frame. Now let's change the color of the page. Take this color and take this light cream shade for the page. Now select the corner border and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Now take a text box and type features. Before that, take another text box and type about property and adjust it before the dummy text. And increase the font size and adjust it with the dummy text. Then let's exchange the position of the frame and the feature. Select the frames and place it on the left corner and take the features on the right corner. Now take a small text box and type the features. After type all the features, now go to the element, take a bullet point, take this bullet point and adjust it one by one beside the features. Now take a rectangle shape and adjust it on the bottom corner of the page. From the element, let's take this arrow shape again, make it smaller and take a text box and type about us or about our company. Change the color in white. And take it dummy text and adjust it beside the about us. And now let's find a logo for this. Let's find the logo. Take this logo and now take a text box and type the agency name. Now take a text box and type contact details. Now go to the element and search for a QR code. Take the QR code and adjust it on the right corner. And now go to the element and search for a rectangle shape and take this shape and make it white and adjust it under the QR code. And now go to the element and search for a phone icon. Let's take this phone icon and again take a email. Reduce the size and adjust this email icon under phone icon. Adjust these text boxes and now take a text box, type phone number and take a text box, type email address too. Now go to the upper section and let's change the color overall the page. Let's take these colors much better before this. Change the all over colors and now take a logo and Creation Limited and adjust it over the corner border we took. Now change the font color. Now take a shape box, rectangle shape box and adjust it under the features. Change the box color in white. Now adjust all of those things. It's done. Here it is, our flyer design for interior design agencies. If you need this kind of designs or any kind of custom design you have, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.